2 years. I showed up every day to work on music for 2 years and I did not finish a song. And here's the thing, it wasn't that I didn't know what I was doing in the DAW, it wasn't talent, it wasn't gear, it wasn't some plugin or sample pack that I needed. But what's crazy was when I switched this one thing in my production process, I literally finished a song the next week. So at this stage now over the last 10 years, I've been on the other side of things working with students, and I've worked with over 1,000 students here at Comsic. And it's crazy because I've seen this exact pattern pop up for them. And maybe you can relate. If you've been stuck, it's often not an issue of talent, but it's something else. And that something else is just not explained in production tutorials. So I'd like to guess what a production session looks like for most of you. I imagine y'all have shit going on in your lives, right? Family, 9-to-5 job. You come home at night, you've gone through a full day, you eat dinner, you go on your phone, you scroll social media, everyone's fighting, the world is ending. And now you find this little pocket of time to sit down at your computer and make music. And for many of you, you sit down amped to make music and then nothing comes. Or on the flip side, maybe you do come up with something and I don't know, like the next day you listen to it and it's shit. And it's like, well, another session wasted. What the hell was I thinking? Now it's natural for you to sit there and repeat this process day in and day out and think, you don't have the talent. You're not good enough. I don't understand how other people are doing this. But think about this for real. By the end of the day, your brain has already gone through an entire day of making decisions. It's decisions you're making at work. It's dealing with your kid's tantrum. It's what are you gonna cook for dinner? It's replying to an email. Like this shit is constant. Throughout the whole day, your brain is making decisions. And then at night, when you sit down at the computer, you're now asking it to make creative decisions for your music, but think about what's happened. You've basically depleted all of that processing power from an entire day's worth of decision making. This was me for that 2-year period. I showed up every night, I tried my hardest on the music I was working on, but I just had nothing to show, and I really had no idea what I was up against. So I made one small change to my process, and it was when I worked on music. I started waking up earlier in the morning and doing my music first thing. Now, as you could imagine, the first couple days were brutal. Like, try to be a night owl and just start waking up in the morning. It does not work. So the first couple days, I didn't see anything. Like it was painful, it sucked, I wasn't enjoying it. However, about a week later, something crazy happened. I finished a song, and it wasn't that I got more talented in those 7 days. What it was I was giving my brain an opportunity to do this creative work before I depleted it with a full day of decisions. Now I want to be straight up with you because this worked for me, but I also understand this won't work for everyone. And some of you thrive with those conditions. Some of you thrive making music at night. And if that's been working for you, yeah, just ignore this. Like you don't need help in that case. But for those of you that have been in this rut of doing the same thing and achieving the same result, in this case, not finishing music, failure, no growth, you have to be willing to change. Understand that doing the same thing over and over is going to get you the same result. And if that result isn't what you want, you have to be willing to change. You have to be willing to try something else. And if that means just waking up earlier, like why not? Imagine I could say, hey, you could achieve everything you want if you just wake up earlier in the morning. Wouldn't you try that? At least try that? So here's the thing, really important. If you're going to give this a shot, you have to do it right. And I learned this the hard way when I did it. You can't give up sleep in order to wake up earlier. Meaning, if you're the type of person who needs 8 hours of sleep to feel good the next day, you need to still get 8 hours. So if you're gonna wake up 2 hours earlier to work on music first thing before you start your day, you need to go to bed 2 hours earlier. Now, try that. It's impossible, right? You can't just go to bed 2 hours earlier tonight. It won't work. So the first couple days to a week, I think this is why I didn't see any progress, because I was just getting acclimated to the new conditions. I tried to go to bed early, I couldn't. So I woke up that first day, a lack of sleep, I felt like shit. But as the days went on, I started to go to bed earlier and earlier, which allowed me to wake up earlier and earlier with the amount of sleep I needed. And once I caught up, that is when I saw the real benefits. And what's cool about this is, for most of us, we can find this time because we're not having to like remove something out of our day. We're just shifting when we work on music. We're creating this opportunity first thing in the morning. And for some of you that have ever done this with the gym, you kind of know that feeling of going to the gym, sun hasn't come up, everyone's still sleeping, but you just did the thing that might have been most important to you. That's what this is. Same concept. But we will reap the rewards of the creative benefit. The fact that your brain hasn't been depleted through a day of decision making. Now, I know this isn't my typical DAW tutorial where we're going in depth about, I don't know, sound design, EQ, compression, all that kind of stuff. However, that's not always the solution. And I've just seen this particular thing help so many people where they might think it's technicalities holding them back, but when they shift their schedule, it unlocks this whole new level of creativity where they're making better songs and they're just getting more done with the time they have. So I hope this can help you as it's helped many. If this is something where you just feel like it ain't me, not this one, we have plenty of other technical videos. I'm gonna pop one up next. And at the same time, if you'd ever wanna work with Justin and I and go through your process specific to you, one-on-one, that's what we do in the boot camp. So I will post a pinned comment below. You could always fill out an application to work with us, but I'll catch you in the next one.